Welcome to GeekBee's admin panel tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to start off. Let's begin by visiting geekbee.com. Here, click on the black Get Started button on the right. That will redirect you to our admin panel. That is where you can register. We will need your name and email address to make your account. It could be a good idea to provide us with your business email and your phone number as well for later cases. Ready? Excellent. Just press Start and the system redirects you to the dashboard where you can see the menu bar on the left side of the screen. Ready to roll? Just press the Start Your Site button in the middle. If you already have an account, just click on the plus login button. Let's name your GeekBee site, your first project. This is not the domain of your site, but you can set that as well after the site building has been completed. Click on the Launch button thereafter. Your WordPress site is building up in the background. It might take some time, so why not go and grab a cup of coffee? When it's ready, you either have the option to visit your new WordPress site or go directly to the dashboard. It's recommended to click on the Visit button first to finish the WP installation. After that, open the dashboard. Select the appropriate language for you and give all the necessary information to the WP installer. Then press Install WordPress and you'll be on your way to using the most extendable and powerful personal publishing platform in the world. Let's go back to the admin panel and open the dashboard. You can see that your GeekBee site status is healthy because you completed the WordPress installation. I create a test site for you to show you how the system works. Eventually, you'll end up with several changes on your test site during your work, and that means your test site and your live site are no longer the same. For example, click on your test site's link on the right side of the screen to open it, and post a comment to a recent and existing post. This will result in changes on the test site. Go back to the admin panel and click on the Show Changes button to see the changes that you have made. By clicking on the file and/or database changes, you can see the things you modified. After reviewing your changes, click on the arrow button in the middle, that is the Merge button by the way, and merge the changes to your live site. After merging, the test site is automatically destroyed. As you can see, your live site is up to date. The comment has shown up on the live site after the merge. Now you know all the basics. It wasn't so hard, right?